Hey y'all, Anson here. I was family Factotum. So, yeah, our plans got a little changed up this weekend. So we were planning on going to get drywall to be able to be working on the hole that's in our bedroom, like this. And then we were also going to be working on the drywall and stuff in the bathroom, which looks like this. But let's do a before and after. So we actually had snow that came through the previous weekend, and then this last weekend that just happened, we got snow again with this major bomb cyclone of a storm that came up the East Coast. We were down at the very southern tip, basically, of that storm, so we didn't really see feet or the amount of snow that a lot of people are getting from this storm. But night and day difference between the first snow what we got that looked like this. And then now the snow that we got last night looks like this. Whew, all right, so now I'm back inside, and there we go. That was the first snow that we got in comparison to the snow we just got. And even though it wasn't as much, you can tell that this storm was a little more violent, a little more wind. Actually, probably a lot more wind, because there's snow just stuck to the side of buildings, to the fence, to the trees. And we didn't have that in the first snow, which was really soft and flaky. This out here is just really wet and just sticks to everything. So, but I definitely appreciate you guys for following along. We'll get to the drywall probably next weekend. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind, check all those links down in our description. We have our affiliate link to IsoTunes. 100% of all those monies earned goes right back into the autism community. We have our bonfire link down there if you want some merch. We only have a few shirts right now through bonfire. The more we sell, the more we can get items wise. All right, so go check it out. And yeah, that's all we got for you. So we'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye now.
Okay, that's
Snow
like a
angel.
snow.
Kind of.
There's snow.
I got it out.